Okay, welcome. So for Java development, there are few recognized IDEs, that means integrated development environment. Some well-known IDEs are Eclipse and Apache NetBeans IDE. So today let's see how we can download and install Apache NetBeans IDE. Right. Now what you can see here is the download Apache NetBeans installation file. So I will double click on it. So these are the installation paths. If you want to, you can change. But I'm not going to do any changes. So the first one is the where it is going to install the IDE, integrated development environment. Then next is the where the system is going to install the Java development kit. So here the Java development kit 17 is the version which we are going to install. It's asking for any updates. So I'll click install. Check the updates and install. Right now, I think you can see the installation setup is complete. So I'll click the finish button. So let's see. Let's go to the start button and let's search for NetBeans. You can see Apache NetBeans IDE is available now. So I'll click on it. You can see the NetBeans is starting. Right. So this is the starting screen. So this start page, that's not much important. So I'll close it. So I will get file new project. And I will go to the category Java with Ant. And there I will go to Java application, the left hand side. I click next. You can see project name. So I will give first a name, first app. So this is the project location. See users, user documents, NetBeans projects. And I click finish. You can see the projects is been created. Right. So this is the first application. So the package name is first step and the class first step. You can see public static void main is the main method. Here we can type what we need to do. So first of all, because this is the first step, I will print system dot out print hello. Go ahead and run. You can see the output. Right, so that is it.